how to enable or disable more channels in your news app on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on News. Next, go down and tap on Notifications. In here, you want to go down to the bottom and tap on News, Notification Settings. And in the More Channels, tap on the toggle button to choose which channels you would like to receive news in the News app. So go down the list here and then turn on any of the channels you want to receive news. So there's quite a bit of options available here. So you can turn them all on if you wanted to, and then tap on Done to finish. And then tap on OK, tap on the Settings back key to go back to your news notifications. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.